So, in today's class, we are going to see how to add ruffles to your, garment. So, basically, we have seen how to give transparent fabric, how to create your basic garments and stuff, right? We will be making something similar to this today, and that is called ruffle lehenga, and this is called your ruffle frock. So basically, you will hit S on your keyboard and you will come here and click on rectangle tool. So basically, what we will do is we will keep two boxes as a guideline and we will draw the pattern. As you can see, between these, you need to adjust the graphics. So I will adjust it quickly so that you're left with something cute and fabulous. So, split it or a uniform split, and we are good to go. First on first end and second on second end. Yes, right. Now we have our print ready, and I'll increase somewhat, length so that it can turn out really cute. And same thing, Control C, Control V for the back, or Control C, Control D. Any shortcut you can use. Not a problem. Control C, Control D will ease your stitching as well. You need not do your stitching, but I like to practice with my stitching tool. Now, after creating this whole garment thing, we will be, I'll tell you what. Control C, Control V, and we will size this pattern. Okay. Reset to 2D arrangement. Now, as you can see, the stitching is already done. We need to arrange it for the back. For down sake, I don't need any, points. So I'll delete point in the middle and yep, stitch that to that and arrange according. Yes. Now, after that, if you want to add, you can add your, more ruffles to it, as you can make a floor length anarkali or something like that with this method, and you can keep on adding until you get your knee level or your ankle level length. Basically, first you stitch them, or else first to reset to 3D arrangement and size your patterns. Basically, it is a piece of rectangles and hmm, The more particle distance, the more heavy. So I'll change it to the normal GPU, fast GPU. The one drawback with that fast GPU is this one. It will get easily tangled. For my computer, I can see that this is enough. I'll turn my basic to yes, now it can sustain the weight. If I keep on dragging that, you can. This normal simulation, what it does is it'll, you know, play with you as it won't play with anything. It is adjusting itself, just drag it and it'll adjust itself. Yes, only some more. Flip normal. Just drag it. It will arrange itself. Just drag. This is to show you that I'm also not perfect. Even I go through all these chaos as well. So, if you want an another layer which hides your ankles a bit more, and this will be a very, control C and control V. We are not going to size this pattern up and we will stitch it as it is. The only change we will be ever making is the length, that too from the down. And this can slow down your computer as well. So keep that in mind and you have your garment ready. You have your ruffles garment ready. And we can see that the polygons are um you know very big. So what we can do is select all the patterns which are needed to be done on 10, and this is your simulation properties. By selecting all your patterns, and when you go under simulation properties, you can see your particle distance. I'll show you what happens when you're doing this. Not this one though. Huh. Now you can see that your polygons are way smaller than the upper one, right? When you simulate them, see the folds that they are creating for your, ruffle frock, right? And it will slow down your computer as well. So that's why I paused this simulation, and it will be a bit, faster. You can have this. I don't want this much height. I will be using trim hardware. Yeah, so that it can be pooped up. So after that, all chaos, it's worth getting that. See that? Now this is this much low because of the particle distance that we have kept and the number of layers, the number of ruffle layers that we are using. So keep in mind that how much, you know, how many ruffles are there, that much your computer will lag, and do it slowly, otherwise your program can crash. Do it slowly and keep that in mind that it will take some time to get to this stage, and this is all the work that you can do. If you are interested in doing like this, make sure you are fighting for that.